Okay, I'm going to show you how to fix your Google Glass unit, hopefully in under 10 minutes using the Fix for Glass kit that you can find on fixforglass.com. All right, .com that is. All right, in here you get two pair of gloves. I have on one pair. You get your smoothing blade, your non-abrasive razor blade, your two pieces of foil, your forceps, and your microfiber cloth. All right. Oh, and your X-Acto blade. All right. What you're going to do is make sure that your prism is clear of all material, clear of all the old foil or anything like that. Now, what I did was once I took mine off, I had a couple swirl marks. What I did is I went and I bought the Novus system. It's like a three-part system. Let me show you real quick. This is what I use to get all those swirl marks out and make it really smooth. You get this on Amazon for like $8. All right. So once I got it smooth and got all this little swirl marks out and got my acrylic, I'm not saying use Novus, but that's what I used. So I don't want everybody to call me up and say it didn't work. That's what I used and it got mine out. And once you get your prism smooth and all the old material off, what you're going to want to do is what I use is I use the glass box and I just set it in between there just to prop it up. So now I have it nice and flat in the surface that I can see. See, mine has been cleared. I'm going to use the micro cloth to get any lint or loose, hair or dirt off the prism just to make sure it's smooth because I want that prism for you to sit on there really nice so I can get a nice reflective image back. I'm going to open up the foil. I like that they gave us two of them. That way if you mess up on the first one, you still have a backup one or necessary. You still have a backup one. All right. Now one side has the protective foil on it, the other side is the outside foil with nothing. So I can tell by the way it looks that this is my protected side, which is going to fit straight on the glass. Now they give you forceps, which you supposed to use the handle. You don't want to put fingerprints or scuffs on it. But I'll be using these once I get this foil off. The outside I don't really care about. The X-Acto blade is to separate. I think a pair of tweezers work better. So we're probably going to replace the X-Acto blade with tweezers. You want to get this protective film layer off. But you want to be real gentle with it because you don't want to damage that adhesive material underneath. So I just want to start with this corner and separate it a little bit. I think this is the part where you have to be the most delicate with, just to get that corner up. Okay, so I know I got it up. Okay, so they give you the forceps. Okay, that's the part you want to be the most careful about. So lining this up, now that's the next thing. You know what, I'm going to use my fingers because it's so delicate. So you want to make sure that you get this right on there. I'm going to use my fingers because I'm going to use that as a guide to kind of get that on there. So let me see if I can zoom in a little bit here. adjust this a little bit over. Okay, so I'm going to put in a tip of my fingers and I'm going to try to line it up, eyeballing it and using my finger as a guide. Get this blade ready first. And you want to just make sure it's firm against there. As you can see the reflection. I don't know if you can see the reflection of the in it, but it's highly reflective on both sides. It's mirror quality on both sides. Get those edges down. Let's turn it on. Let's see, I don't know if you can see if it's on or not. Let's see, I don't know if you can see it or not. But let's just put it on my face and see what's happening. Glass. It just fit in my face. The startup window, glass, bright. Okay, glass. It's working. I can see it. I can read it. Show me the viewport. Record a video. No. No. I'm looking. It's colorful. I can see the blue very well. Oh, record. Just buff it off a little bit here. Now that was 6 minutes, under 6 minutes. I'm just doing some for TV. Shiny, reflective on both sides. Fixedforglass.com. Get your unit back up and running as soon as possible. No sense throwing that $1,500 down the drain.